Hello everyone, this is Manipulator today with the 5-pin Winkhaus that has its old logo. This is the corresponding key. It works like a charm, and if we're lucky we're going to find out what's inside today. First time I picked this, and the only time I picked this a minute ago, it gave me a really nice fall set, so I was intrigued and wanted to see what's inside. Let's have a look together, if we can get this open again. Let me start in the back. Pin 5 is binding, I think. The wording isn't easy. Couple of clicks there, nothing major. 4 now. Nothing. 3 gave me a good click. Really nice, smooth. Alright, nothing on 1 or 2. I'm not sure about 2. Nope. 3. Another good click. 4 now, nothing. 5. I think 5 is binding again. Not entirely sure. Okay, let me start in the front. Number 1. What's happening? It's binding now. Yep. Good click and good bit of movement on the core. Now we're talking. It's getting interesting. Let me continue in the front. That worked. Nothing else on 1. Nothing on 2. 3. It wasn't that those weren't clicks. I was touching the wording with the pick. 5 seems to be binding again. Trying to get a good angle on it. Couple of clicks there. That might be serrated, or I was picking against the wording again. Seems to be still 5. And it was. Good false set, if I may say so. Maybe that was the one that intrigued me enough to give this a video. Nothing else on 5. 4 now. Pretty sure it's 4. Nothing on 5. Couple of clicks on 4. Counter rotation on 3. I think I lost it. God damn it. Slipping off of 3. Again and again. Come on. Did I set it? Did I let it go? Should be this. Someone else came back up. Was blocking the path to victory here. What about number 1? Nothing. 2. 2 is good as well. 3. Feels good. 4. Was still not set in its entirety. I'm on 5 again. That also needs more love, I suspect. And it does. Okay, so let's see what's inside this. Winkhaus has this annoying tendency to put in a circlip in the back that is locked in place. So I had to cut this open, saw it open, and this is the first time I'm removing it. You will be able to tell after I removed this. You'll never get these back on the same way they were before. Okay, let's see what's inside. All right, that was easy enough. We have a key, so we lock this back up. Put in the key. That goes almost through the back, so don't think we need to shim this. But since we learn from our mistakes, don't we? I'll shim it anyway. Shouldn't be any harm in doing that. All right, let's see. Are you getting in there? Come on, don't be shy. Good. Good. All the way, please. All the way. Come on. Sorry about the noise. These very thin shims tend to click about a little bit, but it's getting in there. I think we're already in there all the way. We'll find out once we put a follower to it. Is that the right size? I think so. Oh my god, where did you come from? Okay, obviously I'm holding this wrong. So let me turn this around. And we only lost one of those pins, so we put that back in there. And it should be as good as new, and it is. Okay. So, I hope it wasn't all out of focus. Let's get the key out. And I thought that looked remarkable. Looks like all of those are steel pins. But let's see what we got in here. Where did I put my tweezers? Here. Good. All right. What's in here? Focus, please. All right. The first pin, standard steel. The second pin, standard brass. The third, a spool. The fourth, also a spool, but a tiny spool. And the last, come on, the one I thought was serrated, just dump it there, is a T-pin. Interesting. Was giving me some trouble. The springs seem all to be the same, so I'll just drop out the first that wants to come out. Yeah, they're all the same. So we got one here, just to double check what's in there. And then let's have a look at the key pins from back to front. The last one, steel standard, brass standard, steel standard, everyone's standard, it seems. And the final one, also steel standard. So apart from most of those pins being steel and seeming to be anti-drill, do you have a magnet? well, not a good one. Only the first two seem to be real steel. The others aren't attracted by the magnet. But they look like steel. But they don't act like steel. Interesting. Oh, let me put that in focus again. Let's get you closer into the action as well. So I just wanted to check because these also are different colored, but they don't attract to the magnet. But those two do. This one and the key pin as well. The others don't. It's really weird. All right. So let's have another look at what we've got. And that's all that I have for you today. Let me just get that into nicer focus here. All right. I really liked this T-pin. Didn't expect that. I thought it was serrated, but probably I was hitting the wording of the lock all the time. Because if we have a look at the wording again, here it is, you can tell this wording is really annoying. All right. I hope you enjoyed this one. And thank you so much for watching. Manipulator says bye-bye. See you in the next one.